how to insert coupons in Wix. On the Wix apps, there's the option for coupons. Scroll to coupons, select coupons, and you'll see there are 5 coupon types. Discount by amount, 1% free shipping, sale price on selected items, or you can buy one get one free. Right, so in this case, we're going to insert a discount. In the desktop, you can see how to insert a sales amount. So our discount is going to be 5%. Let's say for this coupon is going to be Black Friday. So we're going to select on a minimum order amount. So in this case, we will put 50. So any order 50 and above will now be discounted by 5%. Now there's 2 ways to insert a date. You can select the date and with the start. Black Friday usually starts on Friday, but we can give an early discount, say the 27th. If you want to run on continually, you can just select that one day and leave it alone. But let's say you want it only to last for a term period. All right, you first select the start date, and then right then after, you will select the date you want to pay. Just by tapping that date, it will automatically highlight the dates that the coupon is valid for. And all you have to do from there is just hit save. Then you can provide a limit on how many percentage off a person can use per order, or you can just use it limitless. Right? If you want to use the limit, you'll just type where it says number of uses, the amount. In this case, we won't. Hit done, and that's it. You can choose to share it. You can share it via text, which is good with the mobile option. You can share it via email. You can do mass, set it up for the mass mailing option. All of those are available, and that's pretty much it. You are done, and your clients can now get a discount. Thanks for watching.